Hello, everyone. I'm honored to share a roadmap for how precision medicine, integrated with digital health, AI, and scalable pharma technologies, can shape future-ready public health systems. Today's talk goes beyond theory. We are looking at actionable pathways for policy, regulation, and industry adoption. To ground our discussion, much of this framework is rooted in our recent publication in MDPI from December 2025, titled The Future of Precision Medicine. While that work covers genomic insights and AI, our focus today is scale. We are looking at how to bridge the precision to population gap, moving from individual level data to equitable strategies serving millions. This requires a convergence of science, technology, policy, and health system implementation. It is vital to understand the hierarchy we are working within. We view this as a concentric expansion. Targeted therapy leads to precision medicine, which sits within personalized medicine, ultimately feeding into the broader P-medicine or P-health framework. Why now? Because traditional public health models are no longer sufficient for our current chronic disease burden. We are moving from a reactive treat illness mindset to a molecular scale tailor risk approach. This shift is enabled by the data explosion in EHRs and genomics, but it requires three things to work: data interoperability, public-private collaboration, and rigorous safeguards against bias. If we look at our current 2026 landscape versus our 2035 vision, the shift is dramatic. Primary focus. We are moving from being treatment-centered to prevention-centered. Clinical use. Today, precision is mostly for oncology. By 2035, it will cover all non-communicable diseases in primary care. Data diversity. We must move from datasets that are 80% European ancestry to globally representative data to avoid widening health disparities. Economic model. We are shifting from high-cost fee-for-service models to outcome-based, pay-for-value reimbursement. To make this vision operational, we rely on four pillars: targeted therapies, personalized care pathways, AI-enabled risk prediction, and scalable formulation technologies. In the oncology space, we are moving from targeting single mutations like HER2 or ALK to AI-designed, multi-target, and bispecific therapies. The challenge today is that 60% to 80% of patients develop resistance. By 2035, using triplet and quadruplet combinations designed by AI, we aim for durable remission. Targeted therapy is a direct driver of UN Sustainable Development Goal 3. Mortality. It reduces premature NCD deaths by improving survival and reducing relapse. Universal coverage. By using biomarker-guided therapy, we stop wasting resources on ineffective treatments, which reduces readmissions. Resilience. AI and precision diagnostics ensure the health system isn't burdened by trial and error medicine. Personalized care is evolving from clinic silos to scalable AI digital twins. Right now, we focus on pharmacogenomics and EHRs. By 2030, we will use multi-omics population simulations for proactive 4P medicine. Precision medicine is useless if we can't deliver it. We are moving away from cold chain dependent mRNA to self-stable carriers and saRNA. Our manufacturing vision is to move from centralized batches in high-income countries to decentralized modular hubs in LMICs. AI is no longer theoretical. It is the brain of our surveillance and triage. We are seeing ML models predict outbreaks and NLP extracting insights from messy EHR data. However, to maintain trust, we must establish national AI governance and mandate external model validation. Formulation is often the missing link between aspiration and implementation. We face challenges like low stability of targeted molecules and cold chain limits. The solution lies in ML twin quality by design, QBD frameworks, and smart implants with biosensors. Approval does not equal access. We need South-South partnerships and threshold pricing policies to ensure that these innovations reach everyone, not just the wealthy. Integration requires operational pathways. We must embed stratification into national screening and mandate integrated registries to monitor outcomes longitudinally. We cannot ignore the hurdles: ethical AI bias, data silos, and a massive workforce upskilling gap. Regulators need to adopt adaptive approval paths and unified data governance. For the next decade, our priorities are clear. Create national precision health councils, tie funding to performance, and ensure standards for ethical innovation. The takeaway is this: precision must become proactive at scale. We need to govern AI rather than weaponize it, and treat formulation equity as both an ethical and strategic necessity. In conclusion, precision public health is a multi-SDG tool. It touches on SDG 3 for well-being, SDG 9 for innovation, and SDG 10 for reducing inequality. We call on governments to adopt SDG-aligned indicators and on industry to embed these commitments into their R&D. Precision medicine is not a future concept. It is the foundation of a sustainable, equitable global public health system starting right now in 2026. Thank you for your time. I look forward to your questions.